So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what's in vegan at HomeGoods. I have never been in a HomeGoods other than just walking here and doing this video, so I was really surprised, let's put it that way. So first off, I'm not really food related, but I really like these some of these dishes. They look really pretty, really kind of fancy, kind of thing. I really like these dishes. So first off, we have some like different chips and stuff. I really like these plantain chips, look pretty good. Some plantain chips, all I had was like salt and a little bit of oil. And then look, some cookies, these look really good too. Of course they're vegan. And a whole bunch of different syrups, and of course honey, which isn't vegan. And then you got some salt and some different spices. I really thought this one sounded really good. It's like a paprika sea salt, which sounded really good. So like I said, different types of seasonings and some tomato sauce there that I seen that was vegan, and some mustard, stuff like that. So here we have some different soup mixes. There's some lentil sausage soup, Italian lentil soup, Italian wedding soup, and some fiesta chicken soup, which all were vegan. So then some spaghetti. We have some mix here. I was really impressed with this spaghetti. It looks like it's really high quality too, which is great because I'm kind of a food snob. So this pasta here sounded really good. This here is not vegan. So first off, I was really surprised about this cocoa mix. Actually is vegan. I was really surprised. All of the three different types of cocoa mix are vegan. A whole bunch of coffee and syrups and stuff. Some little candy. This Christmas stole in here was vegan. The one behind it wasn't. So please keep that in mind. And then more coffee. And then it had this wellness section that didn't really have that much stuff in it. It had some vegan vegenaise or mayonnaise. And a whole bunch of protein and protein powders that weren't vegan. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and everything like that. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know what stories you want to see. I'll see you guys tomorrow.